This the one. That's it.
The next station is Stone Square. Mansion House Station is closed due to a shortage of station staff. Customers should alight at stations either side and continue their journey.
See, this is the way you can take video, look, Joseph.
Between the
See over
train
there.
and the platform.
See? It's that.
There's a shop
Yeah, I know.
where we can get drinks. I really want a drink.
You have to drink in my bag.
Mind
Get
the
it
gap
then.
between the
Is
train
it
and the
water?
platform.
No, it's orange.
Yeah, I want orange.
Just wait. Next stop.
Circle line
Just next
train
time.
via High Street Kensington
I want
and
it.
Paddington. The next station is South Kensington.
See, the next one now. We're gonna go there.
The next station is South Kensington. Change for the District and Piccadilly line. Exit for the museum and Royal Albert Hall. There is a reduced escalator service at Earl's Court due to a fault. Please change at Gloucester Road or Barron's Court for the Piccadilly line.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Does it sell